Follow Jackson.
Come on, Lana. It's your present.
What's that?
That's Landon's.
That's yours.
Happy birthday.
It's a happy birthday to you.
Huh? What do you want to open, Landon?
What do you want to open? Here, let's open the curtain.
That's Landon's.
He probably doesn't understand the concept of presents yet, huh?
That's your present, Landon.
Which one do you want to open?
And I think he's obsessed with the balloon.
Landon, open no presents.
It's Captain America. Ready? Can I show you? Landon?
Hey, Landon.
You wanted to watch?
Yeah. Rip it.
What's in there?
Open it. Want me to help you?
Whoa! Yay!
That's Landon's.
What's that?
Yeah!
What's that?
Do you want another one?
Yay.
Yeah, another one? Okay. Oh, this guy's a really, really bad guy. He's really bad.
Okay, let's let him
He
in.
tries to destroy
It
me.
keeps turning everywhere I'm trying to
Yeah.
get it.
Okay, ready?
Okay, there you go.
You want to do another one, man?
Hey, want to do another one?
Ready?
Now let him open it all the way. Yeah.
Okay, open it.
Maybe he needs
Open
some
it.
help.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. What's in there? Okay, let him get it. Jackson wants to grab it so bad. Don't do
No,
it.
don't let him do it. Landon, what is it? It is?
Whoa!
Can I
He's
s-
the guy who saves everybody.
Can I see?
In Cars.
There's some. Okay.
Is there been a Cars 3?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Landon, do you want to open the big one?
Landon.
He's like,
Landon.
Landon, look at this one.
Oh, whoa.
Let's see. Open it.
Ready?
Let him.
Okay, you do it.
No, Landon, you do it.
Open it.
Get it.
No, open it,
Want me
Landon.
to open it?
No, let him. He will.
Okay.
Get it?
What is
Okay,
it?
let him get it.
What's that?
That's your truck.
Whoa, that's Landon.
Jackson, you want to go get the scissors out of the drawer?
Yep.
Landon, that's your truck
Is that your truck? Jackson's gonna get you some scissors, honey.
for your birthday. Whoa.
Landon, want me to open it for you? Okay.
Right there. Underneath there, yeah. Whoa, Landon!
Go. Whoa.
Whoa!
That's what he's been needing. Whoa, there he goes.
Hey, Landon, do you want to open these?
Put these in your truck.
Yeah, put him in
You
there.
want to open them? Ready?
He's like, get your car.
Watch.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. There he goes.
This is home.
Uh-oh, I don't know. Oh,
Yeah, he can go. Go
can
ahead.
you fit through there? There we go.
ahead.
Mom, this is home.
That's your new truck.
No, yeah, that's Holly. And then there's Sally.
Oh,
That's Holly.
want another one?
That's Mater's girlfriend.
Oh, it is?
Whoa.
Landon Jackson's got it for you. Look.
See. Oh. Boop, 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 boop. Nana.
Oh, where's your other truck?
He threw it out.
Okay, go ahead. Go, go, go.
He's stashing them.
Go get your other car. Where's your other car? Whoa.
Landon, does
You're
this,
probably thinking
does this
of
lift
Sally.
up?
This is
Look,
Sally.
look, it lifts up. Okay, we'll
But
do that
Sally
later.
died. Now we only have Valley.
Sally died?
Yeah.
In the movie?
No.
Oh.
Gerbil.
I was like, wow, that's kind of a sad movie.
Whoa! There he goes!
Go get the car, Landon. Go pick it up.
Oh, Landon, look at this. Boop, 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 boop.
Gotta push it down.
And then look at what this car does.
Yeah.
Landon, look at what this car does.
All right, Landon, say bye to camera.
Say bye-bye, Landon.
All right.
Now,
Go!
go.
He said, watch out.
Okay.
Oh, your shoes? Want to take your shoes off? Okay. Oh, wait. No, maybe not him. Okay, go ahead.
Go!
Oh, you want it off? Jackson's going to get it for you.
Hold on, Landon. No, Landon. Go put your clothes. Go, yeah, whatever.
You want to go get some cake?
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, hold on. I'll go put that all up.
Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, go! Whoa! Whoa!
Jumps off.
Whoa! Look out! Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, he's so tiny.
Yay. That little car, huh?
Whoa! That big truck.
He's a bad guy?
Yeah. He's the bad
Whoa,
guy.
look out.
He's-
Whoa!
He has other bad guys.
All right, I'll turn this off. This is getting long.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
He's to
Say bye.
Adrian. Bye.